Samsung is once again ready to shake up the foldable phone market, this time with not just one, but two exciting new additions. The highly anticipated Galaxy Z Flip 7 is expected to debut in a couple of months, and now there's growing buzz that it may not be launching alone. Reports suggest that Samsung's first ever fan edition foldable, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, could be hitting shelves alongside it. This move marks a significant moment for Samsung. While the fan edition, or FE, label is familiar to fans of the Galaxy S series, this is the first time the concept is being extended to the foldable category. And the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE aims to deliver just that, a flagship flip experience at a more accessible price. Initially, there was speculation that Samsung would unveil both the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE at the same event, but release them at different times. This theory was based on Samsung's past launch patterns. Typically, the main Galaxy S models launch early in the year, followed by the more budget-friendly FE variants a few months later. This staggered approach helps avoid sales cannibalization, where the lower-priced model might cut into the profits of the flagship. That same logic applied to the upcoming foldables. With the Galaxy Z Flip 7 expected to be a premium offering and the FE model priced only a few $100s lower, there were concerns that an early FE launch might impact sales of the flagship version. After all, if both are available at once, some buyers might opt for the more affordable option, especially if the differences are not drastic. However, a new update is changing the narrative. According to a trusted tipster on X, live demo units for both the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE have reportedly entered production at the same time. This suggests a shift in Samsung's strategy, hinting that the company is planning to release both models simultaneously. Why does this matter? Because producing live demo units together usually means they're being prepped for store displays, indicating a parallel release plan. It wouldn't make much sense to manufacture them side by side if they weren't going to be showcased and sold together. This aligns with the growing belief that Samsung wants to give customers options from day one. What makes the FE model stand out is its potential to bring the unique foldable experience to a wider audience. Just like the Galaxy S FE devices that balance performance, design, and affordability, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE is expected to offer similar traits, premium looks and solid features, but with slight compromises that make it more budget-friendly. Samsung's strategy here is smart. By offering two models at different price points, the company can target both the enthusiast crowd who wants the latest and greatest, and the more price-conscious consumer who still wants the novelty and practicality of a foldable device. It's a way to expand the foldable market beyond early adopters and into the mainstream. As of now, Samsung has yet to officially confirm the date for its next Unpacked event, but all signs point to a late July or early August launch window, consistent with previous years. With production already underway, more leaks and official teasers are likely just around the corner. Whether shoppers are drawn to the high-end Galaxy Z Flip 7 or the more budget-friendly Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, one thing is clear: Samsung is betting big on foldables in 2025. And by bringing the FE series into this space, it's opening the door for even more users to join the flip phone revolution. In the coming weeks, more details are expected to emerge, confirming specs, features, and, most importantly, pricing. But the early indicators suggest Samsung is going all in with this dual launch approach, offering more choice and flexibility than ever before in the foldable space. For those watching the foldable market closely, this is a development worth keeping an eye on. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE may not just be a sidekick, it could be the key to making foldable phones truly mainstream. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace out.